we have to help each other on the boat. We have to work together. Bye bye everybody. See you later alligator. Dus we beginnen hier ook links het hele huis. Dit is Venetian crystal from Murano in Italy. And it's all preserved by UNESCO. Madonna met kind bezichtigen van Michelangelo. Het was ook gebruikt voor de film Inglourious Basterds. So here the first building is... Dus hier op de hoek het kleine witte huis. So here behind the bridge on the right side you have the St. John's Hospital, one of the first in Europe. It was active from 1188. And the last year it was opened was 1976. I was born here in 72. Ik ben hier geboren in 72. So just them home and we cannot eat them. In Bruges, if you do something wrong to a swan, you're going to be more punished than you do something to your mother-in-law. Maar dat is only in Bruges, eh? Voorbij de brug rechts hebben we de eerste brouwerij bij het water. We hebben er twee. Deze is van Brussel Zot en Strabbe Hendrik. Hey, come on, eh? Daddy. Yeah, I know. Now you have to go.
Watch your head.
Everybody okay? Was he aggressive? I think because they are too aggressive or because they have special supplies. En de persschap kwamen hier naar binnen met de boot links in het hospitaal. To avoid contact. Yes, these are the private houses. 17th century until 19th century. Pretty expensive. So now, on the left, so now the House of the Lords of Bruges is a museum who tells the history about Bruges and it's completely new. Oh, and the red thing here is no tragedy, it's art. Naast elkaar kan proeven. Heel leuk om te doen, heel lekker weer. So here, the second brewery by the water is here on the left side. It's a small family brewery, a micro brewery. There you can taste all little beers next to each other. Really fun to do, like the people are doing over there. And good beer. I like it very much, but it's for tonight. Everybody takes a picture from here to the Belfry Tower. And the Belfry Tower is one of the three biggest towers we have in Bruges. One of the non-religion, the only one that's non-religion. It has 366 steps and the armen moesten werken en bidden voor hen. So here you see the four little houses on the right side. These are called God houses. These are the pelican houses because they are the oldest ones in Bruges. They were owned by the rich and given to the poor, and the poor had to work and pray for them. Nothing for nothing. For me, for the moment, I like Blonde Os. It has a lovely little church, it's very beautiful inside. Very nice to walk around here. A little bit of something new from the city, and I have good news, it's for free. Something for free in Bruges, you have to go for it. Je ziet dit is een kleine witte dingetje, dat is een telescoop en daar kan men de oude haven zien in 3D, 360 graden rond. En het is gratis. Zeer interessant. Men de vensters met baksteen. So in the 19th century, when we had more than 9 windows in Bruges, We had to pay window tax, and the actor, Colin Farrell, he had to jump at least 20 times from the window into the boat to do the good shot for the movie, and he was not amused anymore.